Welcome to a new video, guys. Nice to see you back. I have a question too here from a past exam, I believe 2021. You can see it precisely in the description of the video. So here's what we have. The Bermuda Triangle is a region of the Atlantic Ocean with Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan as vertices, as shown on the diagram. So here's all the data. Then the distances between these three places, M, B, and S, are given in the following table, which are also shown on the triangle already because, well, we're going to be using the triangle, so that's easier to follow than the table, right? Question A. Calculate the value of theta, which is the measure of the angle MSB. MSB is right here. Now, since you work with angles, you know that you have to use trigonometry. And when you deal with trigonometry, you either use trigonometric properties or trigonometric ratios, such as sin, cos, tangent, but you do that when you have a right triangle. Here, we have no evidence of a right triangle. Therefore, we cannot assume for this to be a right triangle. So we're going to use the other properties that we know, which is the cosine rule or the sine rule. In this case, since you only have the sides, you have no other angles, we're going to be using the cosine rule. So you can take your cosine rule formula ahead of you, in front of you, from your booklet, and just substitute the relevant values. You're going to do the following. Cosine of theta equals 2. And then you have to take the square of the lateral sides, meaning 1660 squared plus 1550 squared, the lateral sides of the angle, and then subtract the side opposite to the angle, which is over there, 1670 to the power 2. Okay, we do that. Divided by 2 times the lateral sides, 1660 times 1550. You could put this on numerical solve if you want, and you're gonna get the answer, as long as you choose the settings to be in degrees, so you get the answer in degrees. If not, you can also do inverse cos, like this, and in the bracket of inverse cos, you have to copy paste this. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do that. I'm gonna copy this thingy, and I'm gonna paste it in my bracket, alright? So now I can go to my calculator, to my GDC, and you guys can copy literally this on the calculator, and you should get the answer. And the answer would be 62.587, which would be roughly 62.6 degrees at 3 significant figures. Okay, so that's the first answer. And for the second question, they say the following. Question B. Find the area of the Bermuda Triangle. I'll go back to the diagram. So when it comes to the area of a triangle, if you have a right triangle, you probably will remember that you want to do area equals base times height over 2. In absence of a right triangle, so if you don't have the 90-degree angle, you can use the following one. You can use area equals to 1 over 2. The lateral sides, let's call this side A, side B, A times B, times sinus of the angle theta in this case. This formula will be useful to us, and it's very fast to apply because I have all the numbers. So I'm just going to continue here and write my area workout. We're going to have area equals to 1 over 2 times 1660 times 1550 times sinus of the angle, which was 62.6. You put all these things in a calculator and you just get the final answer, which would be 1,142,043.3 kilometers squared, since we have area. And if you want to write the answer at 3 significant figures, which is what they ask you to do, you're going to write 1,140,000 kilometers square. And that's going to conclude the question. Hope this all made sense. If you like the video, please drop it a like. And if you like this content and want to follow more such content, if you study the standard level AI course, then please subscribe to the channel. It's going to help me, and I hope it's going to help you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.